Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now we are going to read chapter 2 from our Midang book of class 2. Let us read. My name. Once there was a little fly.
Once there was a little fly.
One day
He
he could not remember his name.
could not remember his name.
He tried and tried
He tried and tried
to remember it,
to remember it,
but it was no of use.
but it was no of use.
He had forgotten his name.
He had forgotten his name.
He asked an ant,
He asked an ant,
"Ant,
"Ant,
do you know my name?"
do you know my name?"
The ant said,
The ant said,
"I don't know.
I don't know.
You may ask the tree I climb."
You may ask the tree I climb.
The fly said,
The fly said,
"Dear tree,
Dear tree,
do you know my name?"
do you know my name?
The tree said,
The tree said,
"I don't know.
I don't know.
You may ask the cow
You may ask the cow,
sleeping in my shade."
sleeping in my shade.
Sight words.
Side words.
His,
His,
do you,
do you,
it,
it,
my,
my,
one,
one,
when,
when,
about.
about.
The fly went near the cow
The fly went near the cow
and asked,
and asked,
"Dear cow,
Dear cow,
do you know my name?"
do you know my name?
The cow said,
The cow said,
"I don't know.
I don't know.
You may ask the grass I eat."
You may ask the grass I eat.
The fly went to the grass
The fly went to the grass
and asked,
and asked,
"Dear grass,
Dear grass,
do you know my name?"
do you know my name?
The grass said,
The grass said,
"I don't know.
I don't know.
You may ask the leaves
You may ask the leaves
fallen on me."
fallen on me.
The fly asked a leaf
The fly asked the leaf
fallen on the grass,
fallen on the grass,
"Dear leaf,
Dear leaf,
do you know my name?"
do you know my name?
The leaf was about to answer
The leaf was about to answer
when the wind blew.
when the wind blew.
The leaf began to fly.
The leaf began to fly.
Seeing this,
Seeing this,
the fly remembered his name.
the fly remembered his name.
"My name is Fly.
My name is Fly.
My name is Fly,"
My name is Fly.
he said happily.
He said happily.
New words.
New words.
Little,
Little,
ant,
ant,
shade,
shade,
deer,
deer,
grass,
grass,
wind,
wind,
remembered.
remembered.
Sight words.
Side words.
His,
His,
do you,
do you,
it,
it,
my,
my,
one,
one,
when,
when,
about.
about.
New words.
New words.
Little,
Little,
ant, shade,
shade,
deer,
deer,
grass,
grass,
wind,
wind,
remembered.
remembered.
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
1.
One.
How did the fly find his name?
How did the fly find his name?
2.
Two.
If you forget your name,
If you forget your name,
whom would you ask?
whom would you ask?
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Ensure that
Ensure that
each child answer the questions.
each child answers the questions.
Help children
Help children
find the meanings of their names
find the meanings of their names
as it is related to their identity.
as it is related to their identity.
Let us listen.
Let us listen.
A.
A.
Your teacher will take you
Your teacher will take you
to the school garden
to the school garden
or ground
or ground
or classroom.
or classroom.
Sit down under a tree.
Sit down under a tree.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Sit quietly and listen.
Sit quietly and listen.
What do you hear?
What do you hear?
Can you recognize the sounds?
Can you recognize the sounds?
Discuss with your teacher
Discuss with your teacher
and your classmates.
and your classmates.
B.
B.
Can you make the following sounds?
Can you make the following sounds?
Cow like a crow.
Cow like a crow.
Chirp like a sparrow.
Chirp like a sparrow.
Roar like a lion.
Roar like a lion.
Meow like a cat.
Meow like a cat.
Buzz like a bee.
Buzz like a bee.
Quack like a duck.
Quack like a duck.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
For activity A,
For activity A,
ensure that the children
ensure that the children
sit on clean surface quietly
sit on clean surface quietly
Let them listen to sounds
Let them listen to sounds
they hear.
they hear.
It can be of animals,
It can be of animals,
birds,
birds,
leaves,
leaves,
insects,
insects,
breeze,
breeze,
vehicles,
vehicles,
or by people.
or by people.
For activity B,
For activity B,
say each phrase given above
say each phrase given above
with action
with action
for children to respond.
for children to respond.
Let us write.
Let us write.
A.
A.
Answer the following questions.
Answer the following questions.
1.
1.
Who forgot his name?
Who forgot his name?
The blank forgot his name.
The blank forgot his name.
2.
2.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Blank.
Blank.
3.
3.
When the fly forgot his name,
When the fly forgot his name,
who all did the fly ask?
who all did the fly ask?
Blank.
Blank.
B.
B.
Complete the following sentences
Complete the following sentences
with suitable words
with suitable words
from the help box.
from the help box.
Help box.
Help box.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Tree.
Tree.
Grass.
Grass.
Cow.
Cow.
Fly.
Fly.
1.
1.
The ant said,
The ant said,
I don't know.
I don't know.
You may ask the blank I climb.
You may ask the blank I climb.
2.
2.
The tree said,
The tree said,
I don't know.
I don't know.
You may ask the blank
You may ask the blank,
sleeping in my shade.
sleeping in my shade.
3.
3.
The cow said,
The cow said,
I don't know.
I don't know.
You may ask the blank I eat.
You may ask the blank I eat.
4.
4.
The grass said,
The grass said,
I don't know.
I don't know.
You may ask the blank
You may ask the blank,
fallen on me.
fallen on me.
5.
5.
Seeing the leaf blank,
Seeing the leaf blank,
the fly remembered his name.
the fly remembered his name.
Let us do.
Let us do.
A.
A.
This is a story.
This is the story.
Can you see the picture
Can you see the picture
of a leaf
of a leaf
in the story?
in the story?
Say the words give me
Say the words give me
when you see the leaf
when you see the leaf
to complete the story.
to complete the story.
1.
1.
A cat said to a cow,
A cat said to a cow,
please leave blank some milk.
please leave blank some milk.
2.
2.
What will you leave blank?
What will you leave blank?
Ask the cow.
Ask the cow.
Will you leave blank grass?
Will you leave blank grass?
3.
3.
I have no grass,
I have no grass,
said the cat.
said the cat.
4.
4.
Will you leave blank water?
Will you leave blank water?
Ask the cow.
Ask the cow.
5.
5.
I have no water,
I have no water,
said the cat.
said the cat.
But I will say thank you
But I will say thank you
if you leave blank milk.
if you leave blank milk.
6.
6.
Good,
Good,
said the cow.
said the cow.
Then I will give you milk.
Then I will give you milk.
Now write the words give me
Now write the words give me
next to the leaf.
next to the leaf.
Project verb.
Project verb.
A.
A.
What is the meaning of your name?
What is the meaning of your name?
Can you find out?
Can you find out?
Tell it to the class.
Tell it to the class.
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
A.
A.
Look at the pictures.
Look at the pictures.
Read the words
Read the words
below each picture.
below each picture.
BL.
BL.
Blue.
Blue.
Black.
Black.
Blanket.
Blanket.
PL.
PL.
Plum.
Plum.
Plate.
Plate.
Plant.
Plant.
B.
B.
Write sentences
Write sentences
using the words given above.
using the words given above.
One has been done for you.
One has been done for you.
1.
1.
Rohit has a blue blanket.
Rohit has a blue blanket.
2.
2.
Blank.
Blank.
3.
3.
Blank.
Blank.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Ensure that
Ensure that
children say the blends correctly.
children say the blanks correctly.
Provide regular exercise
Provide regular exercise
of the above blends.
of the above blends.